and we're dealing with a cheeky little boy from next door. Hey? You do realise that that's my chair, don't you? You do realise that that's my chair? Yes, mister. Cheeky boy. Here you are. You're a very, very, very cheeky boy. What am I going to do with you, eh? Cheeky fella. Yes. Hello. It's me, Pag the Drum, working from home. It's, Monday the 2nd of December. I'm working from home, as you can see. And what do I have sitting on my knee? It's a little pudding. Hello. Yeah, so I'm working with a puss. Yeah, not as easy as it looks. All in all, it's Tuesday the 3rd of December, first hoof of the week. Worked from home yesterday. Oh, hello. I hear the screech of an owl. Yes. So this is a sweaty, steamy Pag. It's 0 degrees. Yeah, all right. Okay. Yeah. Mr. Owl. Anyway, as I was saying, before I was rudely interrupted. Yeah, so I better get changed now before I get too cold, because it is at least 0 degrees at the moment, very frosty out, so I shall see you all later. Tuesday up and over. Got to watch for the slipperiness. It's a sparkling ground where it's so frosty. So the frost glistens, the Pag listens.